Welcome to my interactive infographic based on A Game of Thrones by George R.R. Martin. Let's begin with an overview of the infographic. The default view is the map view, which is a complete map of Westeros. You can begin by reading the introduction in the footer. On the left, you'll notice 4 filters with the All filter already selected. The All filter shows all events, battles, and castles in A Game of Thrones. The user can click to simplify the map and focus on one of the 3 featured categories. I have selected the Castle filter, revealing all of the castles in Westeros. Battles and events are no longer featured on the map. Now that I've narrowed down my view, let's learn more about Westeros' famous capital. King's Landing is the capital of Westeros, and the Red Keep is home of the king, Robert Baratheon. The information pane at the bottom gives us an overview of the Red Keep's significance in the story. Any of the characters in gold are clickable. Exploring the map of Westeros is similar to a typical map interface. You can use the mouse to drag the map and click on any of the icons for more information. Let's learn more about Joffrey Baratheon in the Houses view. The Houses view can be explored by clicking on any house sigil or the filters on the left and reading the information area at the bottom. To find more houses, use the arrows at the top to scroll between them. As we know, Joffrey is a member of House Baratheon, and we can find him by clicking on the Baratheon sigil at the top of the infographic. Joffrey is the oldest son of King Robert Baratheon and Cersei Lannister. He has 2 siblings, Tommen and Myrcella, as well as 2 uncles, Stannis and Renly. Information about the Baratheon house origins can be found in the information area. When I click on Joffrey's picture, you'll notice that the character information moves in from the right. Any character in the house view, map view, or game view can be further investigated with a simple click. Now let's explore the game view of the infographic. At the top we have a slider, which when moved shows the progress of the Game of Thrones. We begin with Robert Baratheon as King of Westeros. The slider at the top of the window allows a user to scroll it from left to right to see how the succession of the throne actually happens throughout the book. Each point in the slider represents a significant event that marks a shift in the Game of Thrones, which is described in the info area at the bottom. When a character is eliminated, his or her image moves to the elimination area, and the orbits around the king adjust accordingly. As you can see, after the death of Jon Arryn, several characters move closer to the throne, and the event surrounding his death is summarized at the foot of the infographic. We see that Eddard Stark's orbit has moved and his promotion to the Hand of the King is described in the info area. By clicking on the Allies filter on the left, we can see the allies of the current King of Westeros. Robert's children and friends are highlighted in green to show those on his side in the game. The Enemies filter can be clicked to show all the enemies of the current king if the user wishes. Thank you for joining me in the overview of my Game of Thrones interactive infographic.